Daniluk. Chachua, he's got the wrong side here. Can they catch him? Chachua waits for Tengstedt. Inter very lucky not to concede. Darmian with a long throw. They've let it bounce here. Correa! It's off the crossbar. De Vrij allowed to carry it. Left by Correa. He'll collect the return. There's just something about this ground for Joaquin Correa. He makes his mark and he took it beautifully. Correa finding Thuram. He's round the goalkeeper. And Inter scored twice in the space of 5 minutes. First Thuram for Correa, and now Correa for Thuram. Thuram's in again though. Thuram, he's gone round Monty Pole once more. He's absolutely loving life, Marcus Thuram. His goals tend to come in bunches. So much time for Barella. This is Christian Aslani and De Vrij. They're all chipping in with goals now. Verona have no idea how to deal with Inter. Barella for Mkhitaryan, left by Correa, Bisseck, and still, how has he scored from there? An improvised finish from Jan Bisseck, and it is becoming the ideal afternoon for Inter. Mkhitaryan on Arnautovic for Correa. What a shame. Inter didn't add to their 5-goal first half haul. They didn't need to. Marcus Thuram with 2 of them. It ends at the Bentegodi. Verona 0, Inter 5.